In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions to YouTube videos in Google Classroom. We'll go through the process step by step, making sure you can enhance your classroom experience with engaging content. So let's dive right in, starting with the essential tool you'll need. First, head over to Edpuzzle and sign in using your Google account. If you're new to Edpuzzle, it's a fantastic platform that allows you to create interactive video lessons. Signing in with Google is seamless and ensures everything stays integrated with your classroom activities. Once you're in Edpuzzle, look towards the top of the page for the Add New button. Click this, then select Upload Video, and finally choose a file. This is where you can either upload a video you already have, or search for one directly from YouTube. For this example, we're focusing on using a YouTube video, so go ahead and type the title or keywords related to the video you want to use into the search bar, and you should see a list of results that match your query. When you've chosen the right video, click on it to select. Now you'll notice an option to click on questions. This feature is key to making your lessons more interactive. It allows you to pause the video and insert questions at precise moments. Think about where in the video you'd like to engage your students, perhaps after a critical concept or an interesting fact. You can pause the video at that exact point. The next step is to choose what kind of question you want to add. Edpuzzle gives you a variety of options. Multiple choice questions are great for quick comprehension checks. Open-ended questions work well for thought-provoking responses, and notes can be used to highlight important points or give additional information. Select the option that best fits your content and fill in your question or note. Once you've added all the necessary questions, it's time to click Finish. This will save your video and questions, making it robust and ready for your students to explore. Next, you'll navigate to Google Classroom. Here, select the class you'd like to share the video with to ensure it aligns with your lesson plan. Head over to the Classwork tab in Google Classroom and click Create. This is where you'll upload the video you just prepared in Edpuzzle, filling out the required fields to ensure it's organized and accessible for your students. This setup will help students understand the learning objectives and prepare them for discussions or assignments. Finally, once everything is set up, simply click Post. Your video, complete with interactive questions, is now live in your Google Classroom for your students to learn from and engage with. This approach not only makes videos a more active part of learning, but also allows you to assess and track students' understanding of the material effectively. I hope you find this guide helpful in enhancing your teaching toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.